Hey viewers, welcome back to the channel. My name is Osetale. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I perfectly pad my bustier. If that's something you're interested in, then keep on watching and let's go straight to this video. Welcome back, guys. As you can see, I already have the pieces already cut out on the table. These are the actual fabric and these are the lining pieces. So I'm going to be using hair stain. I'll be ironing it to the actual fabric and I'll be ironing this paper gum to the lining pieces. I'm also going to be using the soft breast pad. I'll be ironing it to the actual fabric as well. So guys, let's just go straight to this video. Right now, what I'm going to do is I will open up the center piece on the table like this. Then I'm going to open the hair stain on it like this, making sure that the part that has gum is facing the fabric. So I'm just going to use the iron to press it down just like that. Then after I'm done doing that, I will just trim it out. So guys, after trimming, this is what you're going to have. So I'll go ahead now and do the same thing to the sides. This is what I have after I was done ironing hair stain to the sides as well. So right now I'm just going to place this aside. I also went ahead to iron paper gum to the lining pieces, you can see. So this is what I have. Right now guys, the next step is to bring the actual fabric again. I'll just fold it into two like this and I will iron it out. So right now, after ironing, I'll bring the soft pad. So I'm just going to open it up. You're going to, this is the part that has the gum, so you're just going to fold it together to the part that has the gum like this. Then you're going to place your center front on it and you're just going to cut out the neck. Then you just trim it out like that. So guys, after cutting it out like this, I'm just going to open up the center front on the table. Then I'll place the pad on it, making sure that the part that has the gum is facing the fabric. Okay, so you're going to place it on it, leaving a space of about ½ inch. You can see guys, I left a space of ½ inch at the neck area where I'll be joining the lining to it. Then you're just going to iron it to it like this. Guys, now that you're done ironing, you're just going to trim it out. So guys, this is what you're going to have. You can see guys, so this is it. Right now, I'll bring the sides and I'll bring this soft pad again. So I'm just going to fold it together again like this. Then I will place like this. Then I'll place one of the sides on it just like this guys. So I'm just going to trim it out. So guys, when you get to this point, which is the under bust area, you are going to stop. Then you open it up and just cut it out from there just like that. Then you will come to this upper part. You will fold it in like about 1 inch and cut out the 1 inch. Just cut it out like that guys. I hope you understand what I am explaining. So after that, you're just going to use your scissors to just make a curve on it. Then you are going to carve out this sharp edge that we have here. So guys, this is what you're going to have. Right now I'm just going to notch this part so I will know the parts that I'm going to be gumming to the fabric. So guys, after doing this, you're just going to open up your fabric. Then you will bring one of the piece. You bring one of the piece, making sure that the part that we notch is facing the sides just like that. So guys, you're just going to place it on it, align it very well. You can see guys, the pad is a little bit too big there, so I'm just going to place it together again and I will cut out from that part. So I'm just going to cut out from this part. Now I have enough space to join the armhole, so I'm just going to place it on it like this and line it very well. Then I'm going to iron it. So guys, this is what you're going to have. You just trim out all the excess. And now that I'm done doing this, I'm going to do exactly the same thing to the other side. This is what I have after I was done ironing it to the other side. So this is it, guys. Right now, I'll bring the hair stain and iron it to the 3 pieces, just like this. So just going to cover it up with the hair stain again. So guys, I'll do exactly the same thing to the sides. So this is what I have after I was done ironing the hair stain to the sides as well. So this is it. I already have a video on how to join and iron out a bustier in this channel, guys. If you haven't seen that video, I have the link to the video pinned to the comment section. So just go to the comment section and you will get the opportunity to watch that video. Just follow the link and watch that video, okay? So guys, that is it. A lot of you keep asking me what is hair stain, what is wadding, what is paper gum. So I just want to use this opportunity to explain what hair stain is. Hair stain is a sewing material that is something you gum to a fabric, you gum to your fabric to make it thick a little bit. It has two face. It has a smooth face, and it also has a face that is rough, which is the part that has a gum. So whenever you want to use it, you just place it on your fabric to the part that has the gum facing the fabric, then you iron it to your fabric. Some people call it hair stain, while some other people call it wadding, okay? So the second thing I used here was the paper gum, which is also known as the gum stay. So that was what I gum to the lining pieces. And the third one was the soft breast pad. We all know what a pad is, so whenever you go to the market, just tell them I need a pad, then they will ask if it's the soft one or the hard one. So just tell them the one that you are looking for and they will give it to you, okay? So these are the 3 things that I normally use to pad my bustier, and whenever I join it together, it comes out very nice, okay? So guys, that is it. This brings us to the end of this particular video, guys. Let me know what you think about the video in the comment section. If you love the video, don't hesitate to give us thumbs up. If you are new here, this is the first time you are seeing any of our video, please endeavor to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.